Guys, Bitcoin is right now breaking to the downside of this gigantic symmetrical triangle we have literally been creating for over 5 days right now, and we can see that this is literally happening live right now. And in this video I'm going to show you guys everything you need to know because it's about to get catastrophic, guys. So yeah, guys, we can see that we made this massive bear flag, of course. However, we broke to the upside of it, and then we immediately started creating this massive symmetrical triangle. And we can see that literally right now we are breaking to the downside of the symmetrical triangle. And if we look at this chart, then we can just clearly see right here that we were running into this massive area of resistance over at the $38,000 level, and right now we are literally going to bounce back probably to $35,700 because that is our first level of support. We can clearly see we got a lot of rejections from of that level, and then we turned it into support, and then we saw a massive move to the upside. Now we are getting rejected from off that top level right here, and we are most likely going to break to the downside again. Literally in my last few videos I've already been telling you guys that it is really likely that we are going to come down right here, potentially all the way to this green box right here, because we still have a lot of support right there, and then just keep on bouncing till we get a massive Bitcoin spot ETF announcement, of course. And literally right now what I was expecting is happening, so make sure to stick till the end for all my other predictions, because it seems like my predictions are actually quite on point all the time, because right now we are literally creating this massive CME gap still down here at $34,400. Of course, yesterday it was also weekend, however we didn't create a CME gap because Bitcoin was literally trading at the exact same price we also opened, just like I was expecting in my last video from yesterday. And that's actually a one that is quite blowing up right now, so thank you for all the support. Don't forget to like this video, and if you actually want to trade this, because it's actually quite easy to trade this, all you will need to do is literally go short right here, because Bitcoin is right now breaking out and the first area of support is right here. So what you can do is simply go for a short position just like this, and then you want to simply put your stop loss just above it right here, and potentially your target all the way here at $32,500, because we are really likely that now we are going to get into a small downtrend. We are already creating some lower lows, and that means that we are most likely going to retest the bottom side of this massive area right here, and it will also immediately fill up that CME gap, which is quite perfect. So if you want to trade this, then literally right now what you can do is go to the first link in the description, and you can sign up for a Bybit account using my link. I know a lot of YouTubers and influencers are talking about Bybit, but it's genuinely the best exchange out there, and if you right now sign up with my link, I get a small commission, but you literally get up to $30,000 completely for free, and believe it or not, it is actually real, which is absolutely crazy. Then furthermore, for Bitcoin, we can literally see right now that not only we are breaking to the downside of this massive symmetrical triangle, we are also right now creating a perfect rounding top, meaning that we are most likely going to continue to the downside, and we could actually start going down exponentially to the downside, because we of course went exponentially right here to the upside, meaning that it's also really likely with this rounding top that we are also going to go exponentially to the downside, meaning that literally in the next couple of hours we can see some massive red candles for Bitcoin, so make sure to stay alert on that. Then furthermore, right now Bitcoin is just like I already predicted. Literally, if you go right now to my latest video, this one, I was literally telling you guys that yesterday that this weekly candle was probably going to create, we are going to probably create a red weekly candle at the beginning. And guess what, right now we are creating a small weekly candle of -1% in the red. Of course, the last time we created more than 4 weekly green candles in a row, which already happened right here, but where we created more than 4 green candles in a row, that has literally never ever happened. The last time we did 4 green candles in a row was right here, and after that we saw red candles, and the last 2 times were right here, and that also didn't make more than 4 green candles in a row. So it seems like Bitcoin just won't be able to create more than 4 green candles in a row on a weekly basis, of course, meaning that right now we are likely to see just a little bit of downside in the next couple of days all the way till the end of the week, because I'm just not expecting a green candle this time. The last time we made more than 5 green candles in a row was literally all the way back at October and August of 2020, which is just absolutely crazy. That's almost more than 4 years ago, so I'm not expecting that to happen right now, especially because we're not even in a full-blown bull market yet. Then furthermore, we are just, like I said, already running into massive resistance, and right now this is a cheat sheet you want to look at. I literally told you guys right here that this is the next area of support. However, do note that if we break the support right here, then we are literally going to fall all the way to 31k, and remember that just about at 31k we also have a CME gap, So I still don't think that is even that weird if we drop all the way to 31k. It will actually be quite bullish for another move to the upside, and it will mean we are still creating higher highs over on the longer time frame, which is just really bullish. And that is literally everything I have for you guys right now. We're just right into the downside of the symmetrical triangle literally right now, right here. But basically after that, we just haven't done really anything crazy since yesterday. So yeah guys, that is everything I have for you guys right now. If you learned something from this video, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and that being said, I hope I will see you in my next YouTube crypto video.